application. Now, what this application does is that it is like an assistant, or let's say it's an assistant to you on whatsoever digital stuffs you want to, manifest. For example, ChatGPT can help you create a lot of images, a lot of scenes, and it can help you solve a lot of maths. It can also give you suggestions or give you ideas of some events, places, travels, and all of that. It can also give you idea on different creation, promotional offers, affiliate, and all of that. So ChatGPT can help you in a lot of ways that you can ever imagine. So this is one of the most important tools you need as a faceless creator. Now, on ChatGPT, we are going to give it a prompt. So there's a prompt I'm going to put right here. What we are going to be doing is that we want to tell ChatGPT to give us a photo, an image of a character, okay? And we want to use this character for an experiment, just to experiment what we actually want to achieve from this channel. Okay, so this is just first approach. Okay, so to understand the concept very well and why this concept is actually you know trending on the internet. Now, this is ChatGPT. I'm going to click on this box right here. You can see this box which says ask anything. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to type